All right, next up for Season 5 of Ask SimpleShot, we've got a question from Ralph. And Ralph has a two-part question here. Question number 1, why magnetic clay ammo? I understand why disposable clay ammo. I can understand iron for weight, denser. But why is magnetic good or important? Hey, that's a great question there. It's not. It does give us some weight, it's a little bit denser. It does allow you to use a magnet to get your ammo out of a catch box if you're shooting it into a catch box. If you want to keep a few pieces on a magnet on your belt, it does allow you that option, like steel ammo. But there is no intrinsic value to having magnetic ammo. It's just really cool. Ours is magnetic. So there you have it. Part 2 of his question. It is easy to determine your lowest cost slingshot, or the fanciest or costliest one. But if you just start out, is the cheapest really the right start? When you start at zero, there seems too many choices. How to best start without staring such that fairly shortly the need for an upgrade arises, or such that one buys way more fancy than one as casual user would ever really need. Okay, I think I understand what you're asking here, Ralph. Do I need the fancy, expensive Scout X Pro, or will the plastic Scout X Pro do? The only reason anybody would need the fancy aluminum Scout X Pro is simply for pride of ownership. If you want a highly functional slingshot shooting tool, that is the Scout X in this example, the plastic one will take you as far as you ever care to go in your slingshot shooting career. You can put any bands on it, just like you can the metal one. We also encourage people that are just starting out, which it sounds like from your question that maybe you are just starting out, to definitely start with the plastic. The plastic was made to take fork hits and shrug them off. We don't advise people to have fork hits. It is a misuse of the product, but they do happen. And when they happen to an expensive metal slingshot and leave an unsightly mark, it kind of hits you right in the gut, thinking I could have bought a couple of the plastic ones and had my friends shooting for the price of the fancy metal one. So there you have it. Plastic slingshot is just as functional as the metal slingshot. It really comes down to what you enjoy, what are you willing to spend, and are you okay with beating up a really nice tool when a simpler, less expensive tool would have taken the abuse a whole lot better. Thanks for that question. We appreciate it.